Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be more about what's in the garden, okay? I know Jade and Maverick Show probably haven't seen my garden this year, but I'm going to show you what's in there, what's growing. Here's my son, he's big now. He's big. Yeah, and I'm just sitting here watching some videos. These guys right here are actually from my wife's hometown, DeVoe City. And it'd be good if we meet these people. I think it's Joe and Jean or something like that. I think that's their name. So that's his wife. There's her husband. I don't know if they're married, but they're in Davao City. So but anyway, let's go out here and see what the garden is doing. And let's see. He got a couple over here. Let's see the little fish tank.
That's mine.
Yeah, you got some small fish in there.
This is ugly.
Yeah. So let's go outside and see what the garden is doing real quick. We're gonna come in because it's hot. Okay. We're not gonna be out here that long. Yeah. It's hotter than that in the Philippines. So let's start over here. So you see this? I think some kind of groundhog or squirrel, I don't know, something got in there and ate the leaves off these beans. They were probably about like that tall. Yeah. They were about like that tall, and then something ate them all. I was so upset. And I had a tomato plant in here. Something just jumped in there and ate it. So.
And this has happened. I found this.
Yeah, you found that over there. So I have this here. I got some more things growing in here to start over. I got some watermelon in one of these. I got tomatoes. They call asparagus beans, and then cucumber. Okay. So yeah. So I got to start over on that. Unfortunately, let's go over here real quick to this pear tree. Here's the pears. They're doing really good. They're about the size of my thumb. So they're doing very well. They don't look like they have any bugs on them or nothing like that, because I did spray. Let's go over here real quick. It's hot today. It is hot. Okay. Here's the grapevine. Grapevine is huge right now. And we have a bird nest up there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a bird nest. So I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know if the bird's going to eat the grapes or not, but the grapes are coming along well. That's how they look when they first start. Usually these, it's like a flower. They flower up and then they close up and then they turn back into like these little balls right here, and then they turn to grapes. So that's how they grow. They just don't grow into a grape. They flower up a little bit and then they close back up and then they turn into grapes. So, and it's a lot on here this year. There's a lot. So hopefully when we get back from the Philippines, this will be kind of full and birds don't eat it. So that's doing really good. Let me zoom out. So that's doing real good. I do have some cucumbers over here that I started in the house. Right there, and they're doing very well. I got some neem oil. I'm gonna spray some neem oil on that so nothing will eat it, because bugs don't like neem oil. Over here, this used to be full of tomato plants, but I've been trying to weed everything out. Right now I have there's a miniature pumpkin vine in here. It's called a bush type pumpkin. I think it's called a sugar baby. So I got a pumpkin over here. Some watermelon is in here somewhere. These are pumpkin. I think the watermelon's over here. There's a watermelon right there. Back there is going to be some what you call it? Cantaloupe. Yep, cantaloupe is back there. They're growing. And look like something's trying to eat at the leaves. And then I had a pumpkin here, but something ate it. But these are doing good. These are pumpkins and watermelon, I think. So that's pretty much the extent of the garden. It's not much because I'm not going to be here to really keep an eye on it. So I just hope I have good luck after we come back, because we're going to be gone for a month. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the garden. Just want to give y'all an update on what's going on, and that's about it. That's about it, guys. So quick video for J Maverick Show, Cliff and Rue, Black Filipino, and the rest of you guys. All right, guys, I have to go. See you soon. All right, take care. Peace.